News 8 at Sunrise in high definition continues.
Well, welcome back. I'm pleased to welcome CPA Michelle Staebell to the show, formerly Michelle Towner. Congratulations on your wedding this summer.
Thank you.
That's an exciting topic. Payroll tax is the topic this morning. Not quite as exciting. We'll get to that in a minute. This morning, of course, is Labor Day. Let's begin there. Can you explain why Labor Day was created?
Sure. It's been around for about 100 years. It was created to honor the social and economic achievements of the American workers. And all American workers see some of their hard work taken out of their paycheck in the form of payroll taxes. And it's easy to lose sight of where that money goes and how it might benefit those workers in the long run.
Right, and let's get to some of that. Let's talk about these payroll taxes. Obviously, I'm no expert, but obviously I can see that the money's coming out. And in a lot of cases, I don't really have control over that. It just kind of comes out of the paycheck every couple of weeks. Can you talk about some of these taxes a little bit?
There's two specific types of payroll taxes. One is the Social Security tax. It's 6.2%. It comes out of your paycheck, goes right to the Social Security Administration. The other that comes right out is a 1.45% Medicare tax, and that goes right to the Medicare fund. These payroll taxes come out of the paycheck before the money ever gets to the employee. Okay,
but they do have benefits to the employee, correct? Let's talk about that.
They do. So by paying these taxes, it gets you into the Social Security Administration and the Medicare fund, so that later when you reach retirement age, you can start receiving those benefits.
What other taxes are taken out of our paycheck, you know, typically on a bi-weekly basis?
Besides the payroll taxes, there's also federal income taxes. It's the federal and state, actually. And those are reconciled each year on a tax return. So a taxpayer might get those refunded each year instead of having to wait until retirement age to receive those benefits.
Right. We know that feeling all too well. What about in a scenario where you're self-employed? You know, where maybe the taxes, you don't get a W-2, or the taxes aren't taken out of a paycheck per se. How does that work?
Good question. Self-employed individuals have to pay the payroll taxes to the government by themselves. They don't have the luxury of a payroll system to do that for them.
Okay, so they, in the end, they're ultimately responsible to make sure that those taxes are paid.
Yep, everyone has to pay them, regardless if you're a W-2 employee or if you're self-employed.
All right, Michelle, thank you. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
For more information, you can always head to the State Society of CPA's website as well. It's nysscpa.org. You'll find that link on our website as well at rochesterfirst.com.